Alright, y'all. Let's get this video started. Alright, guys. We are at Devil's Den State Park. This is in Arkansas. And today we are headed first to... Let me pull up my trusty map here, make sure I'm going the right direction. Oh yeah. Alright. This is supposedly like a little cave den that is put up in the mountains. Like up against the mountainside. So, it's a little trek in the woods. Looks like it's gonna be a little over half a mile like down and then, which means half a mile back up, but that's all right. Ready to go. So yeah, let's check out this hike. I'm gonna be putting my hat on for this hike, not because of the sun, but because of the possibility of ticks. So there we go. Ooh, cute. It's been a lot of fresh rain. So that means that the ticks are gonna be fresh. I got my boots on just in case. Don't know what kind of terrain we're gonna be walking into. And I am the only one out here. There was no one else parked at the trailhead. And it doesn't look like there's really even any tracks out here. Which means there could be some wildlife. I'm going to avoid all of this mess down here that's been washed out. Arkansas has 6 different types of poisonous snakes. So the last thing we want to do is encounter one of those. That looks like a pretty good place for them to hang out. Can hear the water. Must be getting closer to the waterfall or some sort of waterfall. I think we're above it. This must be the overlook of it. Holy crap. Look at that. All right, let's figure out how to get down there. I think we gotta go up and around. I am so excited. The water is flowing. Oh yeah, here's the trail down. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God. This is wow. Let's go take a look inside. Just making sure there's no animals in here. Holy crap. Of course, someone tagged it and ruined it with their art, but this is so beautiful. Ah, I freaking live here now. Your own private waterfall. You see the black from the soot and the fire. Second waterfall. Wow, look how it has just formed these stalactites almost from the water. There's some more little caves over here. Not as big. Some little tiny little holes. This is absolutely gorgeous. Moonshiners Cave. This would be perfect for moonshiners too, with all of this fresh water coming in, filtering itself on the rocks. Honestly, you could probably drink this water. Definitely shower in it. Could be like one walking around. And then I'm gonna put this away and just sit here and enjoy it. This is too spectacular to not just sit here. Wow. All right. We're gonna do one really cool pan in and put you away. Actually, there's not more around this way, are there? Just more cliffs. More hidey holes for animals to live in. All right, guys, Moonshiners Cave. We are near Devil's Den State Park in Arkansas. This place is completely free and it is gorgeous. Take a look with me. Alright guys, that's it. It said this was half a mile down here, so half a mile for a walk to an absolutely extraordinary cave. Beautiful. Definitely worth the hike. If I could stay here and camp here for the night, I would. Gorgeous.